Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning programs. Dear students, today discussed about unity method part 3, exercise 58 for class 4. Now let us start your related topics. In first questions, say that 9 pence cost Rs 45 rupees 90 pice. What will be the cost of 6 such pence? Dear students, in this questions given data 9 pence cost 45 rupees 90 paise. What will be the cost of 6 pence? So first of all, you find out cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pen. How do you find out cost of 1 pen? Dear students, when you divide total cost by number of pens, then you find out cost of 1 pen. Then again you multiply the number of 6 pence. In this way you find out what is the cost of 6 pence. So you write here in this way, cost of 9 pence is equal to Rs 45 rupees 90 pice. Cost of 1 pen is equal to Rs 45.90 divided by 9. Here in this way you divide 45.90. Here 5 nines are 45. Here put the decimals. Next number, 9 fives are 45, and 9 ones are 9. Cross here 0 times 0 cross. So here rupees 5.10. The cost of 1 pen. The cost of 1 pen is equal to 5 rupees 10 pice. Cost of 6 pence is equal to 6 multiply rupees 5.10. That means 10 6 is 60 and 5 6 is 30. That means 30 rupees 60 paise. What is the cost of 6 pence? 30 rupees 60 paise. Now second questions, if a dozen pastries, one dozen is equal to 12 pastries. 12 pastries. What is the cost? 1 dozen pastries cost 2424 rupees 60 paise. 24 rupees 60 paise. What is the cost of 20 pastries? So dear students, you must write here cost of 12 pastries. Cost of 12 pastries is equal to rupees 24.60. 24.60. So must we find out cost of 1 pastry is equal to rupees 24.60 divided by 12. Here 12 2 is 24 and 12 5 is 60. here 2.05. So dear student, cost of 20 pastries, rupees 2.05 multiply 20. Here 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, and here that means 41 rupees. What is the cost of 20 pastries? 41 rupees. In this way, dear students, you find out here 24.60 divided by 12. 12 to the 24. Here put the decimals, and here 6. Right here, and here put the 0, and here put the 0, and 12 5 ja 60. Because you write once times one numbers. So here put the 0, then you again write the numbers, and 12 5 ja 60. In this way you find out first of all cost of one pastry, then you find out cost of 20 pastries. Now again third questions. Third questions, 1 quintals of rice cost Rs 880. So dear student, first of all 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. Must be remembered how many kilograms in 1 quintal? 100 kg. So cost of 100 kg rice is equal to rupees 880. No problem, no doubts. Find out 20 kg rice. So must we find out 1 kg rice is equal to rupees 880 divided by 100. Here 880 divided by 100, 0 cancels, that means 8.8. 8.8 rupees. Here 8.8. So you find out cost of 20 kg rice is equal to 20 multiply 8.8. Here 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, or 117, here 0, and put the decimals. That means 176 rupees of the cost of 20 kg rice. So dear students, in this way you write down cost of 100 kg rice is 880 rupees given in your question. First of all you find out 1 kg rice, each kg rice 8.8, that means 8 rupees 80 paise. So you here cost of 20 kg rice, 20 multiply 8.8, that means 176 rupees. Now question number 4. What say question number 4? The total tuition fee collected from 12 girls of a class is 2,940. 2,940 fee collected by 12 girls. 12 girls. So you write here in question number 4, in 12 girls, collected fee rupees 2,940. 2,940. In one girl collected fee rupees 2,940 divided by 12. Here 12 to the 24, right? Divide in this way 2940. 12 to the 24, 5 4. 12 4 ja 48 and here 6, here 0, 2 5 ja 12 5 ja 60. So you write here 245. One girl submitted 245 rupees. Then how much does will be collected from a 30 girls? In 30 girls collected fee 30 multiply rupees 245. Here 5 3 are 15, 73 0, 7,350 rupees collected by 30 girls. Collected by 30 girls. 7,350 rupees collected by 30 girls. Dear students, first of all you find out submitted या collected fee from one girl 245 rupees. Then you find out how many fee collected by 30 girls. So dear students, in this way you make unity method. Today's we learned, first of all you find out each objects, what is the value of each objects. Then you find out number of more objects, more than one objects. More than one objects you multiply and find out the value of one object. You will divide. In this way you find out such type problems deal with you. So thank you students.